If you're not invested in the crypto market by now, you need to really wake up because the price movement is really going to coil up. And like I said in my previous videos, yes, this move is going to catch a lot of people off guard because we can really see that the price movement is really going to gear up for this next major parabolic move. The manipulation ends here and we're going to see that the price movement of Bitcoin is going to break the 200 moving average, and this move is going to be extremely explosive, leading all the way to the levels of 70,000 US dollars. So if you're not invested by now, guys, you need to watch this video until the end. Smash up the like button and subscribe, and welcome back to B4Crypto. Yes, this video is really going to be important because now's the time to really wake up. And we're going to look at all of the facts, and yes guys, we're going to start on the lower time frames on the 4-hour chart, and here we can see that the price movement of Bitcoin is really coiling up in between the 200 moving average at 62,000 US dollars and the 50 moving average, this blue line exactly here at the 59,000 US dollars. And also we have the 100 moving average perfectly lining up with this upward sloping trend. And this is extremely bullish because after this major dump towards the downside for Bitcoin all the way to the levels of round about 49,000 US dollars, we saw this quick move and this fast recovery. Yes, this was a V-shaped recovery, but ultimately guys, we saw this consolidation over time, Bitcoin catching up with these major trend lines and these major moving averages. The price movement either consolidates over time and catches up with the moving averages, or we could see a consolidation with a double bottom where the price movement consolidates over the price. And yes, ultimately guys, this is a consolidation over time, and a lot of people will think that we're going to go even lower and the market is going to turn around exactly here, because ultimately guys, I do expect that at the end of this range, so within the next 2 days, we're going to get this explosive move towards the upside, not only for Bitcoin, but for the overall crypto market, because we can already see that a lot of altcoins are waking up. Yes, this is on the daily chart, we're having a small retracement, but on the weekly chart, if you would have invested exactly a week ago, you would have already been in some major profits. So guys, now's the time to wake up, and if you want to buy all of these cryptocurrencies on the spot market or even trade it with a leverage, go down in the video description below and sign up with my links where you receive a major deposit bonus, but most importantly guys, be in my free Telegram group where I always keep you up to date. But you can trade all of these moves on Bybit where you receive a 30,000 US dollar deposit bonus, and if you want to trade without KYC, you can either sign up to BloFin or even JumpX where you receive a major deposit bonus and reduced fees. So guys, make use of this free money. But let's go over to the daily chart of Bitcoin, because ultimately guys, we can see this major trend line exactly at the levels of 62,000 US dollars, perfectly lining up on the daily chart with a 50 moving average. And yes, we can see a lot of resistance within this zone, but ultimately guys, resistance is going to turn into support. And if we're going to break this major level with an explosive move, guys, then it's too late to enter the crypto market, because this move is really going to be parabolic, and we could expect that the price movement of Bitcoin is going to form a new all-time high, because ultimately guys, we've looked at this major reversal candle, this spinning top exactly here, and if we go all the way back, yes, we also had the spinning top exactly here with a consolidation afterwards on the weekly time frames and this explosive move towards the upside. And this is exactly what I expect, the spinning top exactly here, consolidation and this major move towards the upside. And yes guys, this would mean that Bitcoin is going to make a fast move, and the overall crypto market and especially the altcoins are going to see a major explosive move. Because yes, Bitcoin is going to be the ultimate currency, because if we go over to X, this is a great visualization. Yes, there are only 21 million Bitcoin, and most of these Bitcoin have already been mined, I think round about 19 million. So the next Bitcoin that are going to get onto the market are going to be divided over the next 100 years. So ultimately guys, we can see the global liquidity entering Bitcoin, with the available Bitcoin being this small guys. So ultimately the price is going to pump, but not only for Bitcoin, but for the overall crypto market. And now is really the time to wake up, because if we go over on the long-term perspective of Bitcoin, and we're going to look at the Bitcoin cycles. Yes, this is the monthly chart, and each and every candlestick represents 1 month. And we're going to look at the previous all-time high in the year 2018, with a bear market exactly here, the previous halving, the third halving, where the amount of Bitcoin getting onto the market is going to be reduced by half, and we can see this consolidation phase exactly at the halving, this parabolic move to a new all-time high, the all-time high of 2021, followed by a bear market bottom, bullish move towards the halving, consolidation, and this next major parabolic run leading to a new all-time high roundabout in October 2025. So yes guys, you're entering the most explosive move, yes, the parabolic phase of Bitcoin starting exactly now. Because if we're going to look at the cycles, yes, history doesn't repeat but it rhymes, and we're going to look at the halvings, especially the halvings at the second halving exactly here, all the way from exactly the halving all the way to this parabolic run, where the parabolic run started was exactly 153 days after the Bitcoin halving. We started with this parabolic move all the way to the all-time high exactly here. And yes guys, we're going to go over to the third halving, which was exactly here. Yes, we once again saw the sideways consolidation, and exactly after 153 days we saw this parabolic breakout leading to a new all-time high, the previous all-time high. And yes guys, can you see exactly the cycles repeating after 153 days? Consolidation, major pump, 153 days. And if we're going to zoom into the current price movement, yes, all the way from the previous halving, which was in April, we are seeing this consolidation phase, which is absolutely normal. A lot of people are leaving the crypto market, and yes, I can see this in my views that has gone down drastically. Yes, the people are not interested in the crypto market. Why? Because the price is dumping. Yes, the price movement of Bitcoin is the only marketing. The people enter the crypto market, but where are they entering? Yes, the people are entering when Bitcoin forms a new all-time high. Now they are not interested. But guys, you're getting the most amount of profit if you're going to invest at each and every dump and when the markets look absolutely horrible. So yes, we got round about 9 days left until this next candle is going to form. So within the next 9 days, we could expect this major breakout. But guys, I do believe that we're going to see this pump exactly here in 2 days, leading all the way to September and this bullish breakout. And this is why you need to wake up exactly now, guys. If you're not into the crypto market, exactly here, yes, we're always going to look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the leading currency and the overall crypto market is going to correlate with Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is the money of the future, but guys, the upside of Bitcoin is going to be limited. So ultimately, guys, you need to invest in altcoins if you want to really make life-changing money and rediversify into Bitcoin as a solid currency. So ultimately, guys, let's go over to Ethereum, because yes, Ethereum is the leading indicator for all the altcoins, and we're going to look at the previous halving, the Bitcoin halving, which was exactly here on the 5th of May 2020. And yes, once again, after 153 days on the Ethereum chart, we saw this major breakout of 1191% all the way to a new all-time high. So ultimately, guys, this is the return that you're going to get on most of the altcoins. And if we're going to compare Ethereum, which was at a price movement of $380, so close to the levels where Solana is at the moment, and we saw this major pump all the way to the levels of round about $5,000. So yes, guys, this is why we could expect this major breakout for Solana. If we're going to see the same returns, we could expect that Solana is going to go all the way from the levels of $140 all the way to at least $1,000 with a bullish price target of round about $3,000, which is absolutely in the cards. And if we're going to look at this price move all the way from the current price all the way to the potential bullish price target, this is going to be exactly the same numbers, 1,900%, exactly as we saw in the previous bull market for Ethereum. So it's really going to be important, guys, to diversify into a lot of altcoins, because ultimately your return is going to be explosive. And yes, guys, I've been making videos for the last 2 years and I've uploaded 400 videos. The previous video was my 400th video. And yes guys, this is why you really need to be subscribed, because I started my YouTube channel exactly here. Yes, exactly at the bottom for Bitcoin. So if you didn't buy exactly here and all the way up, guys, now's the last time to enter the crypto market. Yes, maybe we're going to see a short-term volatility within these regions, but ultimately guys, remember what I said, it's not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. And if you want to be profitable guys, go down in the video description below, sign up to my free Telegram group, smash up the like button, and most importantly guys, be subscribed and be for crypto. And now's the time to really wake up. And if you just want to stay up to date guys, I'm going to upload the dedicated video which altcoins you should need for this upcoming bull run. So make sure to stay tuned, activate the bell, be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.